guys, welcome to Maneuver. I'm Advocate Nisha Lotia, and my today's session is about the English section for the entrance exam of IPMET and BBA 2021. Students, I will start with a beautiful motivation quote that is work hard in silence and let success make the noise. Guys, you are already studying hard for your 12th board, so parallelly you must also give time for your entrance exam, which is your only passport to the desired college. Students, this video, if understood in the true spirit, will not only boost your score but will help you a lot in your professional life of management because communication in English is the paramount need of the hour. As exams are scheduled in June, we have approximately only 60 days, so we need to study smart. I assure you that with the minor changes in your study pattern, you can pursue your dreams of management. So let's get started on this note. For any preparation for any entrance exam, the awareness of the syllabus, what is to be studied and what is not to be studied, is a crucial part of the preparation strategy. So guys, we have launched a 60 days entrance exam course, which we have already launched it, and there are very limited seats. So if you have trust in us, you can easily join us and make your journey very smooth. Okay guys, so further joining us, we have mentioned all the links in the description. You can just have a look at it. Now over here, I would like to make you aware what I have done in this slide is that for the English section, guys, we have written the syllabus over here in this pattern, and we have written the names of the entrance exam, that is IPM, IIMs, okay, and BBA. So IPM we have Indore, Rohtak, Ranchi, Jammu and Bogdad. Guys, over here you have to understand that for which entrance exam you are appearing and which entrance exam is the syllabus related to that. Okay, so we all know that reading comprehension is the most dominating part and you will be having it in all the entrance exams. But if I am speaking about IPM, that is your Indore exam, then you have to only go through the reading comprehension, the paragraph jumbles, the paragraph completion and summary. These are the three are the main topics. Okay, so if I'm talking about Rohtak, Ranchi, Jammu and BG, then guys, you have to study the reading comprehension, error detection, sentence improvement, paragraph jumbles, completion, fill-ups, close-up test, idioms and phrases, antonyms, synonyms, confusing word, one word substitution and phrasal replacement. Now guys, our expert faculties, okay, our expert faculties who study and who appear exams every day, they exactly know what level of questions they will ask you in your particular exams. And I have seen why I have just merged all these exams together over years, because normally students appear uh, n number of exams to achieve the desired college. So my only takeaway over here is that, guys, if you are doing thoroughly these topics, okay, these topic, referring the right books, referring the right content, understanding the difficulty level of your examinations, okay, understanding the competition level, how many students are appearing and what is the ratio and how many seats are there. So when you understand the syllabus, understand the difficulty level, understand the competition level, understand what types of questions you're going to encounter on your D day by appearing our mocks, so this will give you a total and smart preparation. It is an entrance exam which is of course the MCQ style, so you have to be very smart when you are making your correct choices, guys. So when you are coming to BBA, that is your set, NPET, CREST, CUT and other exams, guys, you have to go through the reading comprehension, error detection, sentence improvement, paragraph jumbles. We don't have, take a note of this, we don't have paragraph completion and paragraph summary for your BBA entrances, guys. Okay, that is your set, NPET, CREST and all. Okay guys, fill up and close the test. This is nothing but your vocab based questions, guys. What you need to do is you have to understand the positives and negatives, and thereby 50% of the options gets eliminated. The idioms and phrases, now there are lots and lots of idioms and phrases, but when it comes to entrance exam, guys, you have to do some content which is worth to your entrance exam. You can't study, your material can't be, your content can't be of the school level. It has to be the content of the entrance level. Okay, the synonyms, antonyms. Now there are certain tricks by studying the prefix, by studying the suffix, and by syllabicating the words, you can come to know what is, when you can crack the new words also, guys. One word substitution, again I said you should have a right content. Correct, guys, you should have a right content, whereby your examination preparation is so of a higher level, whereby your which needs for the entrance exam. Phrasal replacement, again, which needs a proper content, guys. So when you are joining us for the 60 days strategy, guys, so we have the entire thing. Okay, and we are here with the expert faculty who are themselves writing the exams every year, so which will really boost your score, will really boost your preparation strategy. Reading comprehension will take lots of reading, guys. Error deduction is again your grammar based. Sentence improvement, same is your grammar based. So grammar based questions will take at least 5 to 6 marks, okay, and which are very easy. You should have a basic concept of grammar, the basic concept of your verbs, nouns, adjectives and all, and isi mein se questions aate hain, guys, we are sure about it. Okay, paragraph jumbles, again the sentences can be quite lengthy, quite time consuming, but if you have the right strategy, if you know the right mandatory pairs, if you are aware about the that when a noun is there, then it will be followed by a pronoun, a question will be followed by an answer. There are certain tricks which will help you to solve your paragraph jumbles in few minutes, guys. Okay, so this is what it is all about, guys, the syllabus awareness and which exams you are appearing accordingly. Only study the content, guys, which will save your time, as you don't have much time because you're already having the board pressures, guys. Now over here, as I told you in my first slide, that I'll be giving you some influential tips which we have to study smart. Okay, and this study tips, if you assume in your day-to-day life, guys, then it will become very easy, not only for your entrance exam but throughout your career. Okay, so first of all, reading is a must. Why? Because we have the entire exam is time constraint exam, guys. Okay, so the reading is must. आपका अगर रीडिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग साइमल्टेनियसली नहीं होगा, then it is very very difficult for you to go through, guys. Next is focus more on grammar, because over here the questions which are based on grammar, the sentences will be changed but the concept remains the same, guys. The concept, just if I say it is an or words and adjectives like interior, inferior, major, minor, so they are followed by to and not then. Correct, so this concept remains the same, only the wordings change. So these are very easy and very quick scoring marks. Okay, you can have an 100% accuracy over here. Okay, अब हमारे students को आती है, they are 100% accurate over here. First time right. Now what is this first time right is? This is the main thing, this is the most crucial tip over here is, because what is the difference between a normal student and a topper, guys? Topper का क्या होता है ना, they get it the first time right, like whenever they are studying it for the first time, they make the concepts 100% sure there and there, they don't move ahead without that. Okay, so whenever your concepts are clear, okay, भले वहाँ पे आपको you're giving more of the 15 minutes, but this 15 minutes are very very important, because अगर आपको एक टॉपिक को अगर आप normally समझो, if you are taking half an hour, but to clear the concepts you are taking more 15 minutes, so in 45 minutes you are through with the concept. But if you are not understanding in this 30 minutes and you are moving ahead, then this 30 minutes is an absolute waste, because your questions are MCQ based. Okay, so you have to come to the right choice, there is no other option to it. It is not a subjective test, it is an MCQ test. So guys, always make this strategy, not only in English but any subject what you're studying, first time right. Your concept has to be 100% clarity, there has to be 100% clarity in your concept. Next is use the sticky notes and aside before night. Now what is this use a sticky note? Make your own short notes, guys. Very very important is this. You have to just, when, because it is very easy when you're doing the n minute revisions. When you use the sticky notes, you can always put some signs, like you know, you can put some star, you can put some asterisk, whereby if the concepts are difficult for you, if it needs a thorough revision, so you know, you always use the sticky notes, which you feel it is important also. You know, you have heard somewhere some mentor speaking that, correct? So use of sticky notes can, you know, really save your end minute timings. Okay, next is a sight before night. When now whatever you have studied, okay, just before you know, going to bed, just take a look at it is just a 10 minutes job, guys. It's just a 10 minutes job, but this thorough revision, this, you know, a quick revision will do wonders in your examinations. Okay, understanding the question type, as I told you, it is an MBA level exam, guys, correct? So you have to understand the difficulty level, you have to understand the question type. Each exam has its own difficulty level, guys. You need to have a proper mentorship, it is an entrance level exam, so study hard. But I must say, you should also study smart, you know, क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. Okay, I have seen lots of people wasting time on they are studying things which are, you know, unnecessary for the examination. So do not do that, please be aware of that. Next is speak in English. The more you're gonna speak in English, the more you're gonna use the language, the more you're gonna write the language, you will be closer to the language. And which is very, very important for your D-Day, guys. Because when your reading is good, then your paragraph jumbles, your, you know, close test, your reading comprehension, you come out with flying colors, because there you need to understand whether the, you know, concept is positive, whether it is negative, and you know, moreover, what is the subject matter, what is it is revolving around, and what is the exact conclusion the author is coming out with. Okay, so speak the language, use the language the maximum you can. Share your study plans with your friends and family, that you want to, you know, really work hard for your entrance exam, you want to really stand up with your career, and so they have to be in support with you. Okay, next is for vocab. I have, normally I get so many comments, I get so many questions, guys, relating to the vocab. So whenever it is vocab, it is important for you to understand the prefix, the suffix, the root words, you know, whereby you can, you know, easily crack the new word also. Okay, so prefix and suffix, okay, which is very, very important. So if I say omnipresent, okay, so the word omni means what, the root word is what it is, like everywhere. Okay, it is the prefix omnipresent, so everywhere present, correct? So this is the way, when you have certain root words to go through, you have certain prefix, you have certain suffix, so whereby things will become very, very easy for you. Okay, so these tips, if followed even in your day-to-day life, will, you know, really boom your career in the management. Now, guys, as I told you, we have launched the 60-day program. Okay, we have the expert faculties coming to you, we have the experienced faculties who actually know. Okay, so we have the entire program, we have the maneuver live classes going on, we have classroom lectures also, guys. We have books, mock GD, VAT interview, mentorship, we have the entire course, and I assure you, our mocks are the replicas of your examination. Okay, so you will understand what types of question will come, you will understand the time management, but because we have the experts giving the time, you know, expert ne kitne time mein solve kiya, how much time you are taking. Okay, so for the online and live lectures, you can contact us on 8828581455, and we have the classroom, you know, coaching, which is not going on right now, but we are located at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. You can visit us at www.maneuveredu.com. Follow our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We are first to, you know, post those things. Like, guys, we are connected throughout, so check the link in the description for maneuver entrance exams, guys. Okay, guys, so all the best, stay safe and study smart. Thank you.